Hello everyone, my name is Aaron and today I'll be doing a Mexican candy taste test. So first and foremost, there will be no hard candy here. I'm not a fan of hard candy like Jolly Ranchers or Skittles. I usually go for chewy, soft, and gummy candy like Mike and Ike's, gummy worms, jelly beans, the good ones. So let's get into this. The first candy I have is Skwinkles Rellenos. I have tried these before. This is like a watermelon candy with chili. 10, the best thing ever. 9, I go on my way to get it. 7, 7.5, I consider buying it again. 5, barely edible, and 0, just the worst thing ever. So these are a little bit bigger than the ones that I usually see. They also come with like a packet of sauce or something, but these don't. I would compare this to something like a sour punch straw in the flavor of watermelon. It does have that slight bit of chili, but for somebody who's not a big fan of it, this would be perfect for you. I'll give it an 8. Now this is a Skwinklote Pineapple. I believe it's the same brand. I've never tried this one before. So I'm excited to see how it is. I've seen them on social media and stuff, but never had them. So this is just one stick. Only thing in the package. Seven and a half. It's not bad, but I definitely prefer the pineapple one more. So Pulparindos. I've had these. I went to North High in Wichita, so if you know, you know. So we had these Pulparindos. I've only had the original and extra spicy. I've never had the fruit flavors before. So I have watermelon, sandia, and then pineapple. This is a tamarind candy, a spicy tamarind candy, and of course with the fruit flavor for these. I'm excited to see how they come out. Here's what it looks like. Okay. You get the aftertaste of watermelon. I have some water here so that I can cleanse my palate. It wasn't bad, but it was not as good as I was expecting it to be. I'll have to give it maybe a 7.3. They have a pulparindo that comes in extra spicy. And the extra spicy with that watermelon flavor, I think would have went really good together. But not bad though. Now I'm gonna try the mango. It might be about the same. It smells more like I like the mango a little bit more. I'm gonna give the mango an 8. It definitely has a stronger smell, a little bit more spice in my opinion. It's an 8. Now, these are called Mega Chi-Gomas, and these are the tamarind flavor. Now, I'm assuming it's similar to the Chi-Gomas. I'm not sure if it's from the same company, but these definitely are bigger. These are tamarind gummies with chili. Similar to my favorite, which is the Enchiloka. That's a lot of salt. My blood pressure's about to be through the roof. I'm gonna have to give that one an 8 as well. I'll give it a 7.8. It's not bad, but I prefer more of the, well, I guess tamarind is a fruit, but I prefer more of like the mango, pineapple, and watermelon to go with that tamarind. The contrast of the spice and the saltiness of the tamarind with more of a fruit that I'm used to, like a watermelon, mango, or pineapple, something like that. Now, they also come in strawberry, which I'm assuming is similar to the pica fresa. This is a strawberry gummy with chili on the outside. Not tamarind, it's just the chili on the outside with these. But I'd be interested to see how strawberry and tamarind candy would taste. It's real sticky. I'll give it an 8.3. Now to my favorite, the Enchilokas. So, I'm used to the watermelon ones. I've had the watermelon, and I believe they come in regular tamarind as well, which is real similar to the Mega Chi-Goma. I can eat these. I probably have a cavity or two from eating these. These are amazing. I'm gonna just let you know it's a solid 10 in my book before I even try it, because I've had them a million times. You just get that perfect balance. Excuse me. You definitely get that spice from the tamarind, that salty. But then you have that fruit flavor in the middle that ties it all together. Now, what American candy would I consider this? This is most similar to I can't think of an American candy. Maybe a spice-covered Mike and Ike. Maybe the best way to describe it. Now, I've seen these pineapple Enchilokas before, but I've never tried one. I'm sorry, mango. They do have them in pineapple as well, but I haven't tried that either. But I've never tried these mango ones. Watermelon is my favorite, but you know, it's in the same family, the same company. I know these are going to be amazing. I've never tried them, though. And yes, I have used mouthwash before this and brushed my teeth. And afterwards, I'm going to use my water flosser because I did not need any surprises at the dentist with all this candy. This is a chewing one. I'm still chewing. It's a 9.4. The watermelon Enchiloka, I like it a little bit more, but the mango is not bad. I would not turn it away. I would still eat a whole package of them. I'm not going to do all that today. When you have two heavy contenders going back and forth with each other, it's really hard to pick a favorite. but I do like the watermelon one a little bit more. Now the last candy I'll be trying, oh, it's Pulparindots. So it's the same company as the Pulparindo. And I have them in multiple flavors. I have mango. Oh no, I forgot about this. I have a Chamoy Pulparindo. I wonder how it's different from the original. It looks the same. This might be a little sweeter. Maybe because this is not my native candy to my culture, I don't taste the real difference, but it really doesn't taste any different from the regular Pulparindo. I might give it an 8. But the Pulparindots is what I was talking about. So it's the same company as the Pulparindo, but I guess it's in tamarind candy with the Pulparindo filling. So here is the original flavor because there's nothing else listed there. Let's see how these are. It tastes the same. Well, of course, it's the same company. Okay. I could get with this. This would be... I'm going to give that an 8.3. Now I'm going to try it in extra spicy, which is how I prefer the Pulparindos. But let me just see how it is in the dot form. This is a lot of sugar and a lot of salt. Okay, that spice at the end came through. Same 8.3. Now here are the fruit. Take that back, 8.5. That little spice at the end really came through. So here's the mango one. Let me try the mango for last because I appreciated the mango Pulparindo more than I appreciated the watermelon one. So I want to end on a good note. I like the consistency of the mango, of the watermelon more than the watermelon bar, tamarind bar. 8.5 as well. Mango one's giving me some issues. Solid 9. So that is all the candy for today. This is a lot of sugar. I don't know how people do stuff like this on a normal basis. But I would challenge you to go to your local candy store, your local Mexican candy store. You can also get a good portion of this stuff on Amazon. And also, I challenge Bites with the Banks, Cooking Conversations, Chunk and Dad Quality Time, Paris Marie, if you get to watch this, in Life with the Glovers, if you can do a Mexican candy taste test. So, also the best thing, the watermelon enchilokas. It's tried and true. The thing that I did not like as much, which I'm kind of disappointed about because I like these, was the pineapple one. It just didn't do it for me as much as everything else. So anyway, thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this test. Did I pronounce the stuff properly? So yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.